Hello guys, good day everyone. So I'm getting a lot of the inquiries from all of you related to the how to pursue CFE course, how to study the 2000 pages manual and how to plan for this course. So today in this video I will try to explain you about all of your queries, right? So first of all I'll be talking about the CFE manual. So CFE manual is a 2000 pages manual which is provided by the institute, which seems to be very much difficult for everyone to go through it and also to remember in mind while appearing for the interview, while appearing for the examination. So what should be done? So my dear friend, you will be very surprised to know this, that out of these 2000 pages, hardly 200 to 300 pages are relevant for exam. You don't need to refer rest of the 1700 pages. I'm not talking only from the examination point of view, but also from the point of view of having the sufficient knowledge in the fraud examination profile. So if you go through those 300 pages, 200 to 300 pages properly, you understand each and every concepts mentioned into those 200 to 300 pages, you will be easily clear your examination in the first attempt, and also you will be having this sufficient knowledge about when you will be actually utilizing the concept which you are going to learn in CFE in your professional career as well. So this is the one thing. You don't need to refer 2000 pages. You have to just refer those selected pages or the selected concepts and forget about rest of the 1700 pages. Even the rest of the 1700 pages are good for knowledge. You can review it, you can go through these pages once you can complete your CFE, and in the rest of the year you can go through at any point of time, right? But from the examination point of view, from the core knowledge of the subject, these 300 pages are sufficient enough. Number one. Number two is about the question bank. So I request everyone that don't try to appear into the examination until unless you have gone through the question bank. So question bank is a set of around 1000 to 1200 questions. All of you should go through those questions properly, because the question will help you to understand so many things. For example, number one, you will be able to understand what kind of questions are actually being asked in the examination. Number two, in the examination, what kind of concepts are being tested. So when you are referring this 200 or 300 pages notebook, which concepts is very important, what is the meaning of those concepts, out of these paragraph which one line is important to be understood. So the question bank will give you a lot of the ideas about the methodology of the examination, and also what kind of options are there, what are the confusing options are given. So once you go through the question bank, you will be able to understand the entire methodology of the examination. This is the second thing. Third thing is there are so many jargons are being used in the CFE curriculum. When we say about the law module, oh my god, in the law module there are a lot of the jargons, be it adversarial process, inquisitorial process, what is the prudence, what is the so many jargons are there actually. So what we all should understand the right meaning of these jargons, because in the examination the meaning, the understanding of these jargons are actually be tested. So if you are interpreting wrong meaning of those jargons, you are gone. Or once you have understood these jargons and you have actually understood the right meaning of these jargons, then you can easily clear your exam. So the takeaway of this video is that you must have to take care of these three things. Nothing to worry about 2000 pages, nothing to worry about the long course. If a person understand all of these three takeaways, which is number one, you don't need to refer 1700 pages, just focus on those 200 300 pages. Number two, don't forget to go through the question bank, must understand the question bank, must appear into the question bank before writing the exam. Third thing, go through those jargons. If you are following all of these three takeaways from this video, I am sure you can easily complete this course. Now the question, one more question I always used to receive is that, sir, how much time it will take to complete the examination? So if I say normally it takes 30 to 60 days. So who one will fall under the category of 30 days and who one will fall category of 60 days is that if you spend 1.5 hour to 2 hours a day, you can easily complete this course in a span of 1 month. Because see, there are, for example, 300 pages. So you have just 75 pages for one module, which you can easily complete in 1 week. So in 1 week, you can easily complete all of these, all of the 4 modules, and then you will take another 7 days to revise all of these 4 modules and to appear into the examination. So if you spend around 1.5 hour to 2 hour a day, you can easily complete this course in 30 days. And if you spend, considering your so many other commitments, your family commitment, your official commitments, if you spend around 1 hour a day, then you can complete this course in a span of maximum 2 months, subject to you follow the right strategy, right? So there should be a mentor behind you who will guide you, and also you are following the right strategy. Then you can easily complete this course in 30 days or 60 days, depending upon the time you are devoting to the course, right? So that's all from my side. So I just made this video basis your request, so I promised you to make this video. In case of any other help required, any other support or any other clarification about any of these points, please be in touch with me at the WhatsApp number 9311320114. I will be happy to help you, right? And wish you all the very best of luck to all of you. Okay guys, thank you.